Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I would like to do a mermaid theme. So I have this Craftsmith hot buy from Michaels. It's called Stay Magical, and it has some really super cute papers, both unicorn and mermaid, but I'm going to be just using the mermaid items. So really cute. And then I have these note cards that I picked up at the Target dollar spot, and they say you are mermazing. And then the envelopes have this really cute print on them with the shells, so I plan on cutting those up. And then I found two washi tapes in my stash, this polka dot and a really pretty lavender sparkly that was from the Target dollar spot as well. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out so super pretty. I really love this hot buy Stay Magical from Michaels. So hopefully you're able to find yours. I will put a link for it if they have it on Michaels down below on the michaels.com. And I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.